Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this video tutorial, we gonna check how to dump your project into GitHub repository. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you need to install Get app for Windows. Here it is. Just enter Get Git and go to this website. And as you can see, download 2.24 version for Windows. Download it and install in your Windows operating system. Okay, so as you can see, Get is been installed in my operating system. Okay, that's all. After installing this, then go to your Android Studio or any of your Android project, means any project that you want to dump. This is my Android project I have created. It is just UI design of this Instagram using Flutter. Okay, as you can see, this is the UI design I have created using Flutter app development. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to dump this project into my GitHub repository. Okay, so first of all, go to your GitHub account. If you don't have any GitHub account, you can create from here. I have my GitHub account. I'm going to sign in now. Okay, so now we are in my GitHub account. In your account, you need to create one new repository to dump any data. Give a repository name over here. We'll name it as Flutter Instagram UI. Okay, and yes, you can keep empty or you can enter anything. I will just enter the same thing over here. Okay, and then just create a repository. Okay, so now the repository has been created. Now go into Android Studio. Okay, and in VCS here there is option where it is. Just a minute, I need to search. Okay, sorry, I'm not able to find out where it is. Here there will be one option to enable version control. As you can see, like create repository, you just need to enable it. After enabling it, uh, you can go into your project. Okay, so this is my project. Right click, and here you will see a get repository. Okay, a get option. Here you need to comment the directory. Okay, comment option will be there. Here you can enter any uh, comment message about the app version, which version you are doing using, what is the latest version update you have done. For example, this is this is my project. You can see here, this is the comment. Okay, you can enter here. Here I will comment Instagram ver version 1 USA push. Okay, after doing this, just comment it. Comment, commit. Okay, then 68 files has been committed. After that, you need to go to get files, get repository, and push. Okay, okay. After that, uh, go to your website, means GitHub account. Here you will see your GitHub URL that you need to copy. Just copy it and paste it over here. Okay, and hit OK. Okay, after hitting OK button, you will see a sign in box over here. I'm not saying this because I have already signed in with my GitHub account in my this Android Studio. Okay, after that, just hit the push button. Okay, so now all the data is been pushed into your GitHub repository. Okay, yeah, the push has been successful. Okay, now we will check out it. This one. So as you can see, everything has been imported over here. See, as you can see, in assets folder there is a image folder in which there is uh, image.png text png image. Everything has been imported, and the source code also has been exported. So in future project you can use this source code for any of your projects. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point.